Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you a cool DIY project you can make using a cordless drill charger. Let's start disassembling it. You need to make two holes in the upper part of the case. First I drilled them with a 3mm bit and then I widened them with an 8mm bit. Next, I use a rotary tool to cut out rectangular holes. You need to insert terminal clamps into the drilled holes. And in the large hole we insert the digital volt-amp meter. Now we take the board and solder the wires to the positive contact and the central one. We put the board in place, take the second part of the case, and connect all of this according to the diagram shown on the screen. Carefully place everything inside and screw in the bolts. That's it. The homemade device is finished. Now watch how it works. With this device you can still charge the batteries from the screwdriver, but now you can also see how much current they are drawing. You can also charge other 12-volt batteries. The current this charger provides is 2.4 amps and that's more than enough. As you can see, everything works great, but the main purpose of this homemade device is to charge car batteries. As you can see, charging has started. The current consumption is just over 2 amps, but that's the maximum this charger can provide. When charging is complete, the current will drop and the green LED will light up. Thank you all for watching and goodbye.